Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to hide folders on a Windows 11 laptop. For those of you who are looking for this tutorial, you can watch this video until the end. The first step, you can go directly to the File Explorer on your Windows 11 laptop. Then prepare the folder that you want to hide from your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Here you can follow the steps I did in this video, by following the arrows on my laptop screen. Now I have succeeded in hiding one folder on my Windows 11 laptop. This method can also be done on files that you want to hide on your laptop, including photos, videos, music and other files. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.